County in northern New Jersey. County in northern New Jersey. North Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 9:45 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sand Brook, or 17 miles southeast, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The storm had some 60 miles per hour wind gusts in the Lehigh Valley. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, is possible. Wind damage to roofs, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Somerset, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Ricketson, Bound Brook, Manville, Flemington, High Bridge, Clinton, Hopewell, Firstown, Lebanon, Marcy Hill, Millstone, Skillman, Flagtown, Kingston, and Plainsboro Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70, 3-mile markers 12 and 38. Interstate 287 between mile markers 7 and 22. Room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with the storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, being struck by lightning, torrential rainfall, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Pennsylvania,